On today's episode of What Did You Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop, we take a look at some JB Weld, some Loctite, some Meguiars, and Pen+Gear. Let's check it out after the intro. MK Modelworks is officially in collaboration with Gaahleri. From airbrushes to compressors and everything in between, choose Gaahleri for all your airbrushing needs. Click the link in the description to have your 10% discount automatically applied, or use code MKMKS at checkout. Hey everybody, it's Justin with MK Modelworks. Welcome back to the channel. So today is a pretty special video. I have just surpassed 300 subscribers. I think I'm up to like 302 now or something, 303, somewhere in there. I know they say to kind of don't count your chickens just yet because some could fall off, some could stay, who knows, but 300 nonetheless, right? Also, today is Wednesday, hence the What Did You Buy Wednesday, but it's also July 8th, which is my birthday. So, yep, today's my birthday, and I don't know what the family has planned, but I'm sure it's going to be pretty cool. So let's dig in and see what we got. Excuse me. First, we got JB Super Weld. Now, this is UV light activated, so it is, I guess, a UV glue. It is supposed to be good for clear parts, resin, styrene, connecting styrene to resin, but I've kind of figured out, well, I haven't figured out, but I've thought that it could be an issue when you're trying to glue something that can't get the light to it. So it'd have to be like on the edge of something in order to get it to properly work, I guess you could say. The nozzle is pretty nice. It's got this here, the cap. It's got the light on the back. Easy to squeeze. I haven't broke the seal yet of it, but I will. I hear though it's pretty good. I got it at like O'Reilly's or something, and I think it was like 16 bucks. So it's not cheap, but if it can do what I've heard it can do, it should be pretty good then. So then I got some Loctite. I like my Loctite super glue. There's extra time control. That I've had for a long time, but I got the super glue gel control. No drip, easy application. So we're going to try that out, see if it extends the dry time. And what I like to use, what I've used for a while, it's an older bottle, is Gorilla Super Glue. I did get, when I bought this, I got the brush in the nozzle. So I figured the brush could be good for like larger parts if I gotta, you know, super glue something. But super glue's looking a little thick. So there's the brush, and then put that back on. Then you have your nozzle. And it's got a little pin in the middle of the cap so that it doesn't glue. Like I said, I've had this one for quite a while and I still got quite a bit left. So yeah, got the gel control. I'm gonna try that out. And then I got this here. It's glass glue. It says it's dishwasher safe, which for us, you're not going to be putting a model in a dishwasher. But it said it, you know, crystal clear. So will it haze clear parts? I don't know. I think it will, but I figured I'd try anyways. Something different. So that's kind of interesting. And then I got, let's see. Oh, yes. Some Meguiar's, Ultimate Compound and Ultimate Polish. Now, I don't know if this compound is going to be too coarse, but I mean, I could test it out, I guess, and try. So it would be like the novice course, maybe. I don't know. But the polish, I'm kind of interested in. That's going to be nice. And I remember a couple of, well, on my, I think it was my first or second or third, somewhere there. On one of my earliest What Did You Buy Wednesdays, I got the plastics, and it seemed to work pretty good. So we're gonna try these. And then I got more Kaleido paint. I didn't have the matte black, so I figured I'd buy that one because it's kind of interesting. And from what I can see from all the other primers, it lays out great. So I can attest that it does spray through a 0.35 and the Turbox Mini on high with no problem. No thinner, nothing. And that was the gray. But, you know, Kaleido primers, you can't beat them in my book. I got Stynylrez and I got some Vallejos, but... And then I picked up some more Kaleido silver because I go through this like crazy. It's, you know, one of my favorite bases for candies, and the transparents that Kaleido came out with works great for it. So I use it on everything that I have candy on, which is so far most, if not all of my stuff so far. Yeah. Well, no, my charger I don't have candy on, but that's just silver anyway, so I'm still using it. So I also got the Pen+Gear, Pen+Gear, something. Glossy photo paper, a 4x6. And I got this because Manny from Manny Scale Modeling, also mannyscalemodeling.com, great guy. If you haven't been to his channel, go check out his channel, go check out his website. He's got a lot of great services. He does slot car painting. I think he's got hop-up kits available. He's got his Illumitech stuff going on. And his shop card service. So he will design your shop card. You send him the information, all that, a couple of photos if you want, whatever you want on it, and he'll work something up for you. So what I figured is I'll take his design and print them off on these 4x6 photo papers and get them out to you guys. I know there's quite a few that I have in mind on sending them to, but if you would like a shop card, once I get them ready, and they're in the works right now, you see, send me an email. I'll put it right here, and I'll also have it in the description below, and it's on my homepage of my YouTube channel. So yeah, send me an email and let me know that you want a shop card. And once these are ready to go, I'll have one out to you. And we'll keep in touch about it. So if you recall from last week where I got the 3D printed parts, I did get them off the bases and started working on cleaning them up a little bit. So I got some of the backs cleaned off of these ones. And I took the supports and the bases that they come on and I primed them because I'm going to paint them and then use them in an upcoming paint stripper test between Purple Power. Let's see, the lineup's going to be Purple Power, .3 brake fluid, LA's Totally Awesome, and oven cleaner maybe. I know people out there like it, but I can't stand the smell of it. So I don't know if I do that, it'll wind up being outside. Then there's going to be Dave's Magic Paint Stripper. And we're going to see if those parts are affected by what chemical. Now you get the big box stores, such as Purple Power, LA's Totally Awesome, etc., bleach, brake fluid, you name it. Or you have Dave's Magic Paint Stripper, which is made for the hobby. It's non-toxic and it works on any paint, really. And the only thing he said it doesn't work on is the metal casted bodies. And I know I've talked about it in a previous What Did You Buy Wednesday, but I just wanted to recap because I'm going to take these parts and use these as test objects. And I left the supports on because not all resin prints are going to be this thick, you know. You want to see what it's going to do to even the little stuff. And I have a feeling we're going to wind up with some melted resin because of some of the different chemicals, but I'm hoping we'll find something that works with these. And I printed these, or I didn't print them. I got these from mcvproducts.com. And I primed them with the Kaleido gray primer. And the detail, you can still see the grid plate design from the build plates through the primer. So if it's going to look like this with this kind of detail with a matte black primer, that's going to be nice. But yeah, just the sheer detail that allows. And that was straight from the bottle. It wasn't, you know. So Kaleido primers, I really like them. I was a StynoRes guy for a while, and StynoRes actually has some really cool colors. They got, you know, if you look, they got metallic primers, they got different, you know, just all kinds of different colors of primer. But sometimes, I mean, with a 0.5 or bigger, you can get away with doing it ready to spray from the bottle. But once you start using smaller nozzles, you're going to need to thin it some. So I do have the Amazon discount code MKS2026. That'll save you 10% on Gaahleri products at Amazon.com. And I have my Gaahleri code, MKS, and that'll save you 10% at Gaahleri.com. Also, it includes the Kaleido products, so anything on their website, you know. Let's see. I think that's about it. I'd like to thank everybody that's subscribed. Thank everybody for watching. I'm up past 300 subscribers now, so kind of excited about that one. And I'm gonna go and try to find something fun to do for my birthday, I guess. So anyways, if you guys have tried the JB Super Weld or the Meguiars, let me know. Drop a comment down below and tell me if you guys like them, don't like them, if they work, if they don't work. So anyways, that about wraps this up. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers, everybody that's been there from the beginning. And remember, it's progress over perfection and learning as we go. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.